What are we talking about today, Pat? What do you want to learn about?
Well, we're talking about the brain in a vat thought experiment.
The classic brain in a vat thought experiment. So the brain in a vat is basically this. Instead of being a brain in a skull, like in your body, just kind of walking around just being you.
Having a ball.
Imagine that there's this evil scientist who has taken your brain, put it in this life-giving fluid in a vat, a vat of semen that keeps the brain alive. Okay. And then also he's plugged in these electronic nodes that stimulate the brain from the computer.
Whoa.
Making it respond as if it were being stimulated by like sense perceptions, right?
Yeah.
So you think that you're living your life, but you're just a brain in a vat.
God damn it. This is upsetting.
Yeah. And so the point of the thought experiment is to try to figure out, how do we know that we're not in a simulation?
So what do we do?
Yeah.
How do we fight this guy? Who came up with this thing?
Okay.
That's the whole thing? It's just your brain's in a vat. Some psychopath grad student has your brain.
Yeah. It's basically not even a mad scientist.
No, it's a grad student.
Doesn't even have a PhD.
Got it, Phil.
I'd be so mad. If it was an actual scientist, I'd be like, well, at least he knows what he's doing, right?
No, but this guy's learning.
Yeah.
He's still learning.
This is a senior project.
It better not be. I swear to God, if my brain is inside of that and a grad student or even a respected mad scientist has it, I'm calling the cops.
Bueno. What happens, too, is that when you're the brain and you think you're calling the cops, in this scenario, you're not calling the cops. What you're doing is conjuring up these beliefs that you're calling the cops.
Oh, man.
And then that feeds into the computer system that you're hooked up to. And then the computer responds with more stimulation to help you confirm within your brain that, oh, the cops have been called, the cops are here, I'm ratting out this dude who stole my brain, and then they put you in an insane asylum because you're clearly an insane person.
Fuck.
And then you live the rest of your life in an insane asylum inside of your brain, which is also in a vat. Yeah, it sucks.
Why are you bringing this up? This is going to make me not fall asleep.